Hi, it's me again, Max from Isolation Game, and today we continue our little work on a Space Invader project. So I want to continue modifying my pig-like looking spaceship. And what I will need to test my ideas is a button. A simple button. But I would love to use this one. Looks cool. I like the red one. This one will be used to shoot projectiles. Does it have any... No, it doesn't, I guess. Let's spawn a character. So we will be able to check if it works right. Oh, they're also adorable, but I'll use Coney because I like her. Okay, so if we... Oh no, I can't check it because it's not a scene. It's not a scene. So so I think I have to exit, don't save, and I have to make a new scene. Am I not? Yes, new scene. Why? So I can play, yeah? Why can't I play the previous one? View? It's a sculpture, yeah? If I'm gonna put a character inside, will it make it playable? Let's test. No, I can't. Remix, review mode, my preference. Save version. Quick save. I still can't play it. That's strange. Okay, let's make a new scene. We'll call it Space Invader scene. Yeah, and we'll have first of all my creations and picship imported. Yes, but before that we'll turn on the grid snap and we will import the pigship. Yeah. Okay, so the pigship is perfectly aligned and is ready to welcome Coney. Let's get inside and import Coney. I will have to do my own character in the end, but right now Coney is fine, I guess. I don't see why shouldn't I make my own button, but anyway, maybe I'll use the one that is already wired, not to lose time. But I don't see any here or here. What's that? Welcome home bonus pad. I need the ones from the tutorials, they were great. Oh no. No. What's that? Medium molecule chaser. Okay, we'll try using someone else's button. Whoa. Standard button, Mascots D. Wow, with such a big logic. What's that? I just want to see this. What's inside? Standard button. Well, what's inside? Now there's nothing. Okay, that was some mistake. Maybe, oh, it's here. So it's looking for button mesh logic. I just want to check it out because it looks so complex. So if input A any input, I guess, goes to pulse on input on. So with any input, it makes it impulse input. It's what's it called? It's signal what? Selector? No. It's signal manipulator. Yeah, I know. So it makes an impulse, and when the input comes, it increases count, and if current count, it starts to count stuff. So it starts to count stuff, and when the counter is full, def. Is this def? Bad step. Good sequence. Ah, so it somehow correlates with so it also does reset count at the same time when the counter is full. And the current count goes to L1 pressed, L1 not pressed, R1 pressed, R1 not pressed. Good step, bad sequence, good sequence. Stops bad sequence, triggering out of turn. It also converts to count. Wow, that's some serious stuff. Pretty unusual for me. I don't think I will grasp it at this point, but I would love to see an explanation. Anyway, I needed a simple button, and which one I will use? On the ship. Okay, let's check it out. Connie, are you there? Can you please? Oh, no, you can't. Okay. So, if we go to play mode, and I will possess Connie. Works, I guess. But I don't see the camera. Where's my camera? Is it hidden somewhere? Ah, I guess it is inside the Pigship 01. No. Scope in, yes? Press this and scope on. Yeah, so we see the camera here. Okay, we can leave it B for now, because I like the position, and now we need some logic to shoot projectiles from the nose of the pig ship. And we will need emitter. Is there... we need something to represent the emitter? Or we don't? We don't actually see it in the scene. So I guess we'll just use a couple of proxy objects to be an emitter. So it will finally start looking like a pig ship. And I want the floor to disappear. Okay. I don't think it's a pig ship, it's more like a cow ship. But anyway, those two are gonna be... oh, I don't need actually the second one right now, because I need to set up the first one. Sensors and inputs, no, it's somewhere else. It's movers and outputs, I believe, and we will need emitter. Yeah, yes, this is the one. So we will make this one an emitter by stamping... nope, it doesn't work for some reason. But I want to stamp an emitter on the donut. The donut. Yeah. So the donut is going to be and we will need object to emit. This will be... oh, no. The object to emit will be a cylinder. A cylinder like this. This will be a beam that the ship will be shooting at space invaders. And I need it to be somehow I need it to be red. Red. It's too dark. Okay, and I need it to glow. I need it to listless, impasto, play flex, ruffle flex. No, effects mode. Boil, flow, wave, evaporate, torp, revert, add, subtract. No, wrong. Paint mode. Okay, fine. This is too much for a simple experiment. So I guess I will just use, yeah, use the options to make it glow a little bit, and maybe there is an option of transforming its length. Nope. Okay, so emitter will emit once when the button is pressed. It will emit the reference object, and I'm sorry, but yeah, but the direction will be this way. Yes, and the target, I don't understand. Did I snap it to the object or not? No, I did not. My God. So if I start the time, nothing will happen. Okay, anyway, even if I did wrong by not applying the emitter to the object, it still works. Yeah, but I don't want it to have any gravity. The speed, rotation speed, and ignore parent speed, time between emits. But I guess this goes for an object option. Yeah. No, I have to view it here. Yeah. So if I use this object option and we'll make it so frictions, movable, visible, collidable, gravity, density, no, density, gravity, ignore gravity. Yeah. So we'll close this one and let's see what happens. So it rotates, but I don't need it to rotate. I need it to go straight. Rotation speed is 0. Time between emits. Let's emit at once. Emitted speed 27. Oh, so it's fine. Okay, so now I'll try to do it right, and we'll snap the detector. That will be done from the sensor trigger zone and trigger zone. Oh, my trigger zone. Why are you? Oh my god, this is also can I see? No, just you, not in group, but I want to see only you. There's no actual way for that to happen. No way for that to happen. Did I manage to do that? I don't think so. So if I move this, no, I didn't manage to snap it. Or did I? So okay, we will change this to the cube. No, change this to the cube, and we will make, no, not this one, but z axis almost 0, and this one we will make smaller, and this one we will make smaller also. And now we will move it. Yeah, move it right here. But a little bit of x and y. X is anyway. Let's try. So if we connect this to this, the whole thing should work. Let's check it. But I can see it. Now I have to change the camera, and so inside of the spaceship is the camera. I will delete it, and we will. It works. Works fine. It said that I cannot, for some reason, snap it to the object. Why is that? Maybe when I scope in, oh, there is a microchip. What does it do? Oh, so it does the animation. Fine. So, can't I please snap the trigger zone? Please, I want to snap the trigger zone to the surface. L1 surface snap. Simple surface snap. Please. How can I understand if I did it? This. Does it work? No. Wow, perfectly fine. So now I can't see. My God. Another try. We need to delete this. And now we will have to try to do the surface snap right. So surface snap, yeah. So, oh yes, it works. So another try. And now I need the cube. So Z to 0, yeah. 0, 1, 0 0.1. And this to 0, 7, 0 0.7. Okay, finally we did it right. So now we connect this to our wrongly done emitter and we clone it, don't we? Yeah, we clone it because we need a second one. We don't need this guy at all. Why the only one works? Maybe I was wrong and this works. No, it doesn't. So we need to clone you. Yeah? And we need to connect you again, don't we? Okay. So whoa. It shoots a double laser cannon. Beam. Double laser beam. Okay, fine. So it's a fine button and it works. So now we have to make you smaller. We don't need such a big button, actually. And we need a couple of more buttons to move the ship. So arrow button, arrow button. Nothing with this name. Maybe directional will work. What's that? Oh my god. 87%. %. Dude, that was too big. And now Connie. pony was gone too. No, directional. So much cool stuff I want to check out. Okay, I think I have to do the button myself. So if we just gonna duplicate you, clone. Oh, for now I can use buttons like this one just for test purposes, and later I will redo them as directional buttons so they would look the way I need to. But to see my ship moving, I needed to move in comparison to something to see that in the animation. So I have to make some objects to be placed somewhere in the scene. Yeah, like this. And I think I hate you, Greed Snap, for now. So now we will see if we will move an object in any direction. We will see that it is moving. Okay. Now, it's all why is it all one? Oh no, it's not all one. So we need to group the whole thing to, and we also need to return the camera into the scene. So I will select all the buttons, both emitters and spaceship. So group. Now it's all one group. We scope into this group and we add a camera. Okay, so the camera looks something like this. Maybe. Okay, so it looks something. No. It must go straight. Okay, so if I press this button and the sensor goes detected, I need a timeline. I need a timeline for the group. So I guess I need a microchip. Okay, let's try it. Let's create a microchip. Or let's create a timeline. Let's create a timeline and snap it here. Like it's control panel for the ship. Control panel. Okay, so the first animation we will need will be moving of a group. So we exit. Oh, we still have recording. That's great. So we okay, we'll have this position, okay? And when we will add another keyframe on the timeline, we will move it here. Start recording. So when we scope in, and this will go smooth, and this will take like 3 seconds. Okay, that's fine. So the timeline will activate when the power is on. Okay, so we'll have to bring Coney back because she's cool. Okay, Coney, we need you to work a little bit here with our spaceship. Oh, so if she presses, something happens. Probably not what I really want, but something is happening. I know it's happening. The timeline is being played over and over, and I don't need it actually. And I need the keyframe to stay as it is. No. Stop recording. I need it to yeah. I need it to smoothing, keep changes, yeah. Let's check it out. moved once. Okay, let's rewind. This works. And this. This stopped working. And this also. Whoa. This is something from Why are you not moving with them? It does it once, but how can I make it to do it many times? Okay, maybe the idea of doing it with a timeline is bad, and maybe I should use something else. Mover, a mover, yeah. So if yeah, we'll use simple one. Okay, so forward speed, yeah. Okay. So if pressed, power. Let's check it out. Okay. So what moved? Why are they moving? Okay, rewind time and scope in. So this one is not very good, isn't it? Why are we talking about only this and it works, yeah, it moved different direction. Now I understand. I have to change it to this. I need to snap again. You are redeemed, grid snap. Okay, so it moves only, and now be gone. It moves only a whole object, but we need to move it, the whole group to be moved. So I guess oh my god, I guess we will need it to be made. How can I make an output from the group? Is there a way to make an output from a group. I guess there is, but okay, so we will need to make a mover. What's advanced mover? Huh? Y, Z speed, X speed, Y speed. So, and what's inside? Ah, so it can move in all three directions. I see now. I don't need you. Die. But I will need you. And I will need a microchip. A microchip from here. And inside a microchip, I will have my mover. So move menu, local space. How can I affected object? This one. Affected objects. Yeah, did it work? It did. So can I scope in and connect detected output to, oh yeah, to the power. So let's check it out. Maybe it's a win finally. It moves a different direction, but it moves. And can I shoot? Yes, I can shoot. Finally. But it works once. Why does it work? Oh no, it works. It works. It's perfectly fine. No, it's not. There is some problem with this. I don't know why it doesn't work. The mover is perfect. It moves in the wrong direction, but it works. So, where's the microchip? Return. And oh my god, I always miss. So mover, are you here? Oh yes. And grid snap again, and yeah, different direction. So go back to sleep, grid snap, and I'm interested in why are those guys? Oh, they're all gone. Where are emitters? Oh yeah, here they are. Why aren't you working properly? I do not understand. What happens when you move? maybe it's not the move and the detection. Something's wrong with the detection. Yeah, trigger zone is perfectly fine. Detected output. Why aren't you connected? Strange. Maybe when grouping it stops for some reason. Okay, let's check. It works. It works. It works. Now it moves. It works. It works. Yeah, great. Well, I guess that's all for today. Thanks for watching. We achieved our small goals, and now the big ship can shoot and move a little bit. Thank you. Be a dreamer.